I'm a sister. I'm an environmental advocate. I'm a community builder. I'm an adventure seeker. I'm usually barefoot. I'm a dancer. I'm a gardener. I'm a Capricorn. I'm Ishita Malaviya, and I'm the first woman surfer in India. All right, I'll start from the start. I grew up in the big city of Bombay. It's a coastal city, so I've always been by the beach. Love playing in the water. My favorite Disney character was Little Mermaid. I think ever since I just saw people surfing on TV, I always knew that I wanted to surf one day. But I never thought that I would be able to surf in India because I'd never seen or heard of anyone doing it in India. When I caught my first wave, I just felt like a kid again. Like I could just have fun and there was no agenda other than just having fun. I wanted to build a life around surfing, and the only way to do that was through setting up a surf school. The Shaka Surf Club is primarily a surf school, and we have people coming from all over India and abroad to learn how to surf with us. All the moms and grandmoms of the kids that surf with us, they prepare home-cooked meals for the guests at our surf camp. Basically, our business supports the community. So we keep surfing and skateboarding, kayaking free for all the kids in the village. To me, breaking boundaries is about stepping into uncertainty. In life, there are always going to be people telling you what you can or cannot do. And end of the day, you just have to kind of trust in your own vision. That's the way.